Nathan Cox, thanks for joining us around the home. Today I'm going to replace some stripped out wall anchors with something just a little bit better. Okay, now I know y'all really want me to spend the next 10 minutes talking about what I did all week. How about we just jump in and get the project done? Okay, but before I actually get over there, let me just say, these little guys, these are a mini screw type drywall sheetrock anchor. And I will find Amazon links, have them in the description down below, along with a few other things we're using. And here's Molly. She came to say hi. Yep. Okay, so you're probably wondering what happened here. Well, this desk actually goes up and down, and we accidentally had it too close to the wall, so it just grabbed this curtain hook and popped it right out, okay? So you can see here, the wall has taken a little bit of damage, but not a ton. It hasn't cracked it out outside of it, and putting this hook back here will push this pane of drywall back in place. So we're going to try to do the simplest fix I can here, okay? So I'm just going to use these very standard pair of pliers to hold the old plastic anchor. That way when I go to unscrew it, I can actually get it off. Alright, now what if you're asking the question well, what if the wall's damaged a little bit more than that, and what can you still use an anchor? There are some toggle anchors, and top right of your screen you'll see a video pop up of me fixing a towel bar, which I think we know those take a lot of abuse, and I'm using the much stronger toggle anchor for that. But this one here, it's very simple to install. Just using a Phillips screwdriver, we're going to stick it in the hole that's already there and just screw it in like a screw. And hopefully the wall's not damaged too much, so these will be able to stay in place. And I'm going to be pushing it, but I think it'll work. All right, as long as the anchors will not continue to screw in, which they are. So I'm going to try one of the larger ones. You can see, same design, okay? This one's actually a slightly different brand, so I mean, basic same design, but you can see it's a lot bigger. Alright, so you can see here, second time did it. It's not perfectly, really strong there, but more than enough to hold the curtain. And this way we didn't have to use very aggressive large anchors that require a ½ inch hole drilled for them. That's what those toggler anchors require. They require a ½ inch hole. So these ones here will definitely do me good enough to take care of our curtain. So that's a simple fix to a very annoying problem that I think most of you guys have. I think pretty much everyone has some wall anchor somewhere that's pulled out of the wall. And depending on how big the original anchor was and how much damage it did coming out, depends on how big of an anchor you need to use to replace it with. And it is a little bit hit and miss, just like we did here. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. Please share this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Check out our website. Hundreds more videos organized really well. And there's another video for you guys to check out. You guys have a great one.